Welcome back to Steve's Garage, everybody. Today I'll be replacing the taillight bulb on a second generation Mercury Mariner. As you can see, this taillight uses a single bulb for the brake light and the blinker. This bulb happens to be illuminating when the lights are on, but doesn't illuminate when the brake is pressed or the blinker turns on. The front blinker is doing the typical fast blink, so that's what cued me into needing to replace the bulb. The only tool you'll need for this job is a Phillips head screwdriver and your new bulb. Open up your tailgate, and on the inside edge of the tail lamp, you'll see two Phillips head screws. Remove those screws, and the taillight's ready to be pulled out. Now just grab a hold of the tail lamp and pull it straight back out of the car. Once that's done, you can unscrew the bulbs and put the tail lamp aside. Just a quick word of caution, I'm not sure if this lamp was broken before I pulled it out, or if it broke when I pulled it out. I don't think that I broke it, but I don't know how it would have broken otherwise. So just be careful when you pull the lamp out to not break the mounting tab. Now we can go ahead and replace the bulb. Just grab the bulb and pull straight up and out of the socket. Just like any car part, you want to compare the part you're taking out to the part you're putting in, so just confirm the bulbs are the same, and if they are, go ahead and install the new bulb. Now you can screw the bulb sockets back into the tail lamp and install the lamp back onto the body of the car. Now you can put the two screws back in, and the installation of the taillight will be complete. This is just a quick side note, and I know the video doesn't really do justice, but it's just to show that the taillight is still tight even though the tab broke. Those two screws and the upper tab hold the taillight fine, and I never had any problems with it rattling or moving around after I did this. So if you do break a tab, I don't think it's that big of a deal. Last but not least, it's always a good idea to grab a second person and just check the bulbs and make sure everything works. Brake light, blinker, the whole 9 yards. As you can see, this is a really simple DIY. You only need a screwdriver. Anybody can do it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.